The area of a rectangle is the length times the width. Here there are 6 1/2 columns of 8 square centimeters. The first 6 columns of 8 square centimeters make 48 square centimeters. The last half column makes 4 square centimeters. The area is 52 square centimeters. Even though the area is not in the shape of 52 squares, there are still 52 squares in the shape.
When we talk about area, we just mean the amount of space inside a shape. So when we ask, what is the area of this parallelogram, all we're really asking is, how much space is there inside the parallelogram? The answer is determined by the parallelogram's dimensions, its base and height. Keep in mind that the parallelogram's height is not the same as its side length. It is easy to count the whole units that are in the center of the shape. 4 whole units across and 4 whole units down. 4 times 4 is 16. So there are 16 square units in the center of the parallelogram. But what about the triangular areas marked by the question marks? To find the area of the whole parallelogram, we need to know the area of those triangles. Look at what happens if we take the triangular shape off of the right side and move it to the left side. Together, the 2 triangles form a rectangle. This rectangle is 1 unit long and 4 units high. That means the area of the newly formed rectangle is 4 square units. And the area of the entire rectangle is 20 square units. Remember that we broke apart the original parallelogram and put it back together again as 2 rectangles. Since we didn't change the actual amount of space inside the figure, the area of this rectangle is the same as the area of the original parallelogram. Both have an area of 20 square units.